Senior. Someone older or more experienced. The senior professor gave a lecture. She asked her senior for advice. He was promoted to a senior position. The senior members of the club planned the event. Seniors often get discounts at restaurants.